quick video to showcase the AI chatbot for a plumbing company. So this particular chatbot will help the particular company to answer any kind of questions instantly, and also helps with lead generation as well. So without any further ado, let me show the demo over here. So this particular chatbot can works on multiple channels. For example, this can works on Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, even in this website too as well. So let me share my phone screen over here and start the demo. So let me simply preview this particular chatbot on the Instagram channel. So let me preview this on Instagram, and let me over here. All right, and it says, welcome to CBB Plumbing Corporation, how can I assist you today? So let me simply ask a question over here. Who are you? So let me ask this kind of question and see what happens over here. So we actually named this particular chatbot as CBB bot. So it says CBB bot, a friendly customer service assistant developed by Chatting Media, and here's to assist with any questions or concerns you may have regarding CBB Plumbing Corporation service. How can I assist you today? And as you see, it says at the end, PS for 24/7 emergency services, give us a call at this particular number. So if it's some kind of emergency, it simply pushes customers to call the number. So you can easily call this specific number to get emergency services 24/7, and also it also provide an option for the customers to request a free estimate as well. So let me ask any other question over here and see how this actually respond over here. Another question, what services do you provide? And it simply respond with the services provided by this specific CBP Plumbing Corporation company. And also as you see before, this actually provide an option for the customers to call this specific number for emergency services. And also I ask another question, can I speak in Polish with your staff? And it says yes, absolutely, our staff actually fluent in Polish along with English and Spanish. So as you see here, our staff speaks English, Spanish and Polish. And also it provides the option for them to give us a call for the emergency services. So this is a kind of static message we actually set up on every response, just to provide the customers an option to contact the particular company in terms of emergency instead of just chatting with a chatbot. So now let's see how this free estimate works. So let me go through this free estimate and see how this actually works. So I have just clicked on that free estimate button, and it simply asks me, let's provide you with a complimentary estimate. What is your name? It simply asks for a name. So let me provide a name over here. Just provide as Kim, something like that. And let's see, it actually asks me for the phone number. So let me provide a phone number as well. So I have just provided a phone number too. And it says, please share your message or plumbing needs below to get a free estimate. So in this specific case, the customer has to explain what kind of things they need actually. So let me go above and see. It says they provide emergency plumbing, general plumbing, heating, air conditioning, fire suppression and more. So I need a general plumbing with new installations, something like that. You can actually explain, the customer should explain what they actually need to get the free estimate. And it says, we have received your request and our dedicated team is already on the case. Expect a prompt response from us shortly. Your plumbing needs are in the capable hands. So now this particular information will be transferred to an agent, and also they will be notified as well, so that they can actually get on the call with the customer to if they actually need more details about the particular customer's needs, those kind of things. They will actually call the particular customer in this specific number and get the assistant as well, provide the assistant as well. So now let me go to the inbox and see what happens over here. We are in the omnichannel inbox, and as you see here, since we were actually chatting on the Instagram, it simply says Instagram. The customer provide the name as Kim, and this is the account name over here. And the particular agent can simply check all the chat of this specific customer over here. And it says this particular chat is assigned to Henry Allen. So it's automatically assigned, and as you see here, this is aligned over here. And if we actually select human conversations, we can actually find the specific chat over here. So here, as you see, this is actually assigned to this particular agent and it's in the human folder as well. So what happens is that after that a particular customer send any kind of messages, it will be automatically sent as a notification to this specific agent that you have a new message from this specific customer. So that's how we actually set up this particular chatbot over here. So let me show how this actually set up in the flows as well. So for example, this is how the free estimate works. So as you remember, when someone actually requested a free estimate, we actually asked them for their name, phone number, and also the share your message including the free needs below to get a free estimate. So if I open the chat over here, it says when someone says free estimate, we actually send them exact messages as you see here. So this is the backend and this is what they actually received, and after they provide the phone number, we actually send this kind of messages. So once they share some kind of information about their free plumbing needs or requirements, we actually send them this particular final message saying them we have actually received the request. And finally, we actually transfer the specific conversation to a human and also auto assign the conversation to an admin. So what happens is that the conversations will be auto assigned to these two agents we actually selected over here. So likewise, you can actually select other agents too. So if you select 3 agents, the conversations will be randomly distributed between these 3 agents. So this provides a very good way to manage conversations while providing the AI customer support to the particular plumbing company customers as well. So if you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.